All right, so here's the Honda. It's all completed. All right, I'm gonna give you a tour of the car. First, what I'm gonna actually do is I'm gonna set it up on my trailer. I'm actually gonna take it up north, where I'm gonna get it inspected. And once we do that, I'll show you guys the test drive. All right, so let's load this thing up.
He's lifting me up. He's a bad driver, I guess.
All right, so I made it to my destination and I noticed the wheel was missing. Looks like all the bolts broke off. It all snapped off, not sure why. Tire came off, don't know where it happened at. Hopefully no one got hurt or anything like that, but that's what happened. Got the car unloaded. Let's go take a look at it. All right, here she is. She's all good. Working, just took it for a drive. Everything works great. No issues. Even got the whole front all taken care of underneath the hood. Let's take a look at that. And you could see all the plastic pieces are back together. All that stuff that was right here taken care of. That's it. So this project is officially done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that alert button so you can be notified of our future episodes. And stay tuned.